Welcome to the Isentropic Flow Interactive Calculator, which solves compressible flow relationships for ideal gases. Let's explore the input options. First, we have a drop-down for select calculation mode with 6 options. Calculate flow properties from Mach number, calculate Mach number from pressure ratio, calculate Mach number from temperature ratio, calculate Mach number from area ratio, calculate Mach number from density ratio, and compare two flow states. For this demo, I'm using Calculate Flow Properties from Mach Number. The flow regime dropdown lets you choose between subsonic and supersonic flow. I've selected supersonic since we'll use Mach 2.0. For our example, I'll enter Mach number of 2.0 and keep the specific heat ratio at 1.4, which is standard for air. After clicking Calculate Flow Properties, here are our results. The calculator confirms our Mach number is 2.0000 and flow regime is supersonic. The pressure ratio P/P0 equals 0.1278, meaning static pressure is about 13% of stagnation pressure. Temperature ratio T0 is 0.5556, so static temperature is 56% of stagnation. Density ratio ρ over ρ0 equals 0.2300, and area ratio A over A star is 1.6875, indicating the flow area is 69% larger than the throat area. This tool streamlines isentropic flow calculations for nozzle design and compressible flow analysis. Find the link in the description below.